I just want to apologize.
Sometimes for a horror video, the scary level can be as high as you want it to. You have two options to make the scary level go to the wanted level. One, buy a $3K camera and make the quality as high as a 3K camera can be, or by just reducing the quality, like for example the found footage category. There's two ways to make a found footage movie, the cheap way or the right way. The right way is to spend 3K not on the camera but on the lens and go fucking bankrupt. Or the cheap way is to just make the effect with CGI. But what effect? The effect can be as simple as a VHS effect or a fisheye effect. For now, I would recommend trying the fisheye effect because VHS effect got very popular in the years. Achieving an effect like VHS or fisheye with CGI can be very difficult and time consuming, so to make your job easier, I created a free and professional VHS and fisheye effect, which can be applied very easily. Zero step. Go to your desktop and put After Effects in the fucking trash bin, because if you're using AA in the big 2025, you're an idiot. Next step is to go to blackmagicdesign.com/products/Davinci Resolve, scroll down and download Davinci Resolve for completely free, and after installing it, download or buy the plugins that you need for your movie. If you're gonna use the professional version, use Sexy25 for 25% off. Put your video in the timeline, then navigate to the Fusion tab. Then for Windows, open your AppData folder, then go to this path, then just drag the dark settings file in. For Mac, I don't fucking know. For Mac, go to this.
Then you go to Library, Application Support, Blackmagic Design, Davinci Resolve, then Fusion, then you go to Templates, and here you got the edit page and the Fusion page basically. So then to install it is really simple. You just have to drag it and drop it into the right folder, to the roots basically of that folder.
In the Fusion tab, click the media in OneNote, then press Ctrl+Space, then just search for your plugin. And that's it, you're done. It's just 2 steps. And by the way, I'm a game developer, and for the last 2 months I've been working on a horror game where you play as a commander in the 17th century, and the game is dropping very soon. So upset because I'll be dropping a devlog very soon.